So cell division is an important function. And when we talk about cell division, one statement you need to remember is, please learn it by heart, new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. As I told you, a single cell forms us, a single cell forms a complete organism. So by the process of cell division, the cells grow, the cells divide and form a complete organism. So remember this statement, new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Now, this process of forming new cells from pre-existing cells is termed as cell division. So, what is cell division? Formation of new cells from pre-existing cells is called cell division. The question arises here is, why do we need cell division? Why the cells need to divide? So, for that you can remember a term, that is GR cube, right? I'll explain what is it, but for example, expand it, it is G triple times R, means 3 times R. Here G stands for growth, R stands for replacement, this R stands for repair, and this R stands for reproduction. So this is an answer to a question, why do cells need to divide? So remember the 4 points for growth, for replacement, for repair and for reproduction. So what do you mean when I say that cells divide for growth? You all know when we talk about growth, growth can be in 2 ways. If I say the cell number is increasing, means one cell is giving rise to 2 cells, right? So this is how the cell number increases from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. This can be termed as growth. Secondly, growth can also be termed as increase in the mass of cells. When the volume of the cell increases, it can also be termed as growth. But this growth we are here referring to as when cells are going to divide, they are eventually forming what? They are eventually going to form tissues, and tissues are eventually going to form organs, organs will form organ system, and organ system will form a complete organism. So, for growth we mean to say that cells divide to form a tissue, tissue forms an organ, and organ forms an organ systems. So, for this formation of organ system and then complete organism, what do we need is, we need cell division. So, that is why we need cell division for growth, means formation of tissues from cells, an organ from tissues and an organ system from an organ, and a complete organism from organ systems. So, cells division is important for the growth of an organism. Now, we move to the second point, that is replacement and repair. You all know that in our body the cells are gradually dying and the dead cells need to be replaced. So, these cells need replacement. These cells also need repair. Sometimes you must have felt that when you have got some cut on your skin, this usually gets healed up. This usually gets repaired up. And by which process this replacement and repair is possible? That process is nothing but this is cell division. Next, we move on to the next process for which we need cell division is, that is reproduction. You know that reproduction is the formation of a copy like itself. What happens in case of unicellular organisms? The cell divides into 2 and these 2 daughter cells reproduce further to form new cells, and these cells eventually again divide and divide and divide. So, they reproduce by a process called cell division in case of unicellular organisms. But when we talk about multicellular organisms, cell division is also a method of reproduction, because by cell division only we form the main reproducing cells of the body. For that, I think I need to tell you that we have 2 types of cells. We have somatic cells and we have reproductive cells. Somatic cells are the cells of the body which make up your whole body, but these reproductive cells are the gamete cells of your body. These are the sex cells of your body. For example, in case of males we have sperms, and in case of females we have ovum or egg, and these gametes are formed by a process known as cell division. And when the zygote is formed by the fusion of egg and sperm, the zygote further divides to form a complete organism by a process called cell division. So remember, when you are asked in the examination why do we need cell division, the answer is this: for this GR cube, G for growth, R for replacement, and again repair and reproduction. Remember this so that you can answer this question. So let me recall you again what we have done so far. We have studied that new cells are formed from pre-existing cells, and this formation of new cells from pre-existing cells is known as cell division. Why do we need cell division? Why the cells need to divide? The answer is GR cube. G is for growth, because we all know that cells are going to form tissues, tissues are going to form organs, and organs are going to form a complete organism. So for growth we need cell division. For replacement and repair we need cell division, so that the damaged cells, the dead cells, can be replaced and can be repaired. Then for reproduction also, which process is used in a body? That is cell division. So remember GR cube, that is an answer to your question, why do cells need to divide?